In this video I'm going to show you how to convert TikTok coins into gifts. So what you need to do is you need to open up your TikTok app. Then you need to make sure that you actually have some money or TikTok coins. If you don't have them, just click on Get Coins and buy them from this recharge store. Now you can't convert coins to gifts in this screen because TikTok doesn't allow you. Here you can only see your coin balance. To actually convert it to a gift, you must go back, click on Home, then on the top right click on Live, and here on the bottom left click Gift. And here is how you convert your coins to gifts, because each of these costs a coin. So if you have 10 coins, you can send 10 ice cream cones, for example. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.